Hi guys, how are you doing today? So, this is my Sauerpawpaw, my fermented pawpaw, and it's exactly 10 days since I started this project, this experiment, and I will open it up now and we will have a look. So it looks really good. It smells nice and sour, beautiful and clean, everything here inside, so no mold, nothing, so it's exactly like it's supposed to be. And I will take some out and we'll test it and see what about the taste. I have already checked it after 5 days and it was still not ready. Just getting the leaves to the side, as we still want to keep them in there. So I'm getting some of the stuff. I think fork will be better option. It smells delicious. It smells actually pretty much like sauerkraut. Okay, that will do for now. And see how it tastes like. So the texture is really good. Very nice taste. Really yummy. But I think I will still keep it on the counter, in the pantry, actually on the shelf. And I will give it a little bit more, because the pawpaw is still a bit firm, and I think maybe if I give it a few days, it should be fine. From the taste, I think it's pretty much ready. Really nice and sour. But yeah, it could do a little bit more. And yeah, definitely great idea to ferment pawpaw. I will do it again when I get hold of a green pawpaw. And we'll put the recipe in our blog. So if you want to do it, go for it. If you like sauerkraut, you will love this one for sure. Thanks. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you still didn't. For more videos, tips and tricks. And thank you and see you next time. Bye.